Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto golo siem ne Achudhe matimo mibadhi e mbolea mag jopur kendo uso negi kuoyo kar telo mbolea manyalo reso jopur. Ruto koni obila osemako ji moko ma ichich godo ni timo mibadhi e wach mar mbolea kendo pedha kod nonro to pod dhi nyime. Walter Nyambaga miwa ler.
Yes. Vizuri sana. E kinde yawa yanga nyasi mar joketu mwande county ma Kakamega. Nyasi maneo bagi mbalariany ma Masinde Muliro University ka ema jatend piny William Ruto ogolo siem mager ni ng'ata mobiro gogono ka uso mbolea mabandia ne jopur biro mote bade.
We are also going to make sure that those who sell fake seeds or fake fertilizer face the music that they deserve.
Ruto koni nyaka sani obila osendhiyo ji moko ma ichich godo ni timo mibadhi kendo uso mbolea motimo kuoyo ne jopur ka omedo ni apedha kod nonro sani okasi kang'no ne.
Just today we have arrested some of the characters who want to take advantage of our fertilizer supply program, and we have already many more who are already facing court because we must eliminate corruption. We must deal with those who want to sabotage our fertilizer program firmly, effectively, and conclusively.
Jatend piny mane oten kod Governor ma Kakamega Fernandes Barasa, Ruto, okoni ma en okang' madhi nyayo lwasi mar pur kod ohala, kendo jiwo jopur mondo ti kod thuolone mar keto kodhi e lowo.
This is the time that you want to showcase what Kakamega has in terms of agriculture value chains, in terms of dairy value chains, poultry value chains. We have opportunities.
I want to assure the farmers in Kenya that government of Kenya will make sure the Ministry of Agriculture is working round the clock to make sure that every farmer gets the requisite fertilizer before the season is over. So every farmer, we will enhance the supply of fertilizer because we believe that will enhance our productivity across all crops that we are growing this season.
Jatelo koni Kenya biro duono chenro mag omo chiemo e pinje ma oko mana ka deche mag cham ma Kenya osepong.
I wish to demonstrate what is it that we are going to do, because we believe as we invest in Kenya, in different parts of Kenya, we will also effectively support investment in Kakamega County. And you will see in the budget, we're going to put resources for cane development in all our regions so that we can support farmers to develop cane, because as has been said here ably, we cannot continue to import what we can produce locally.
Our leaders, the legislators, must always work on supportive and innovative legislation, both at the national and the county level, to spur growth, to spur investment.
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.